reading custom file structures. If you watch my, okay, 1 second. Yeah, if you watch my last video, I talked about how to write something, like how to create a file, and we can write something in the file. Here we are going to see how to actually read the file. So first of all, let's look at the file we created in my last video. In my last video, I created a file called workcraft. In this one, we introduced 3 characters with IDs and how much money they had. Here what we are going to do is we are going to actually read from this file. So to do that, make sure first you include this fstream. So because if we are dealing with the file, we need this one to be included right here. And then to read, like there are different things, like if you are writing something out to the file, that is off stream. We have seen off stream in my last video. But if you are reading from, like we're reading in the file, then this should be if stream. So instead of O, we put I right here, and then stream. Then the file name is the file, and then whatever the file name we are going to deal with here, I'm going to deal with the file called workcraft.txt. That's the file that contains these 3 characters and stuff. That file name is workcraft.txt. So I'm going to open that one. So I write the file name right here, workcraft.txt. And here we have 3 variables. One is id, integer id, and then we have integer name, not integer name, string name, because name cannot be integer, string name. And the next one is double money. And here I'm gonna do a while loop to read all of this stuff. So let's go ahead and create while loop. And if you watch my last video, inside of this parenthesis we had some cin statement. Cin statement is basically to get some input from the user, but here we are just gonna print whatever the things we typed on the file to the screen. So we don't need the cin statement. We have to just put the names of the ID name and the money. So the file, that's what contains all of this. So the file, and then from this one we get the ID and the name and the money. Okay, so ID, name, and the money. Let's go ahead and print. Okay, ID, name, and the money. To print this one out, I put cout statement, and then ID first. Then also we can spare, like we can actually do some adjustment, like we can make it look better by putting some of these things. But this is not going to affect the file. Like if you put it here, it's not going to change the file. It's just going to be displayed. But if you open the file and see, this is not going to be there. So first I put the ID and then comma and the name and then comma. Close this one, and then money, and then end line. Okay, once I have done that, now I can go ahead and run this program, and let's see if we have any error. I'm building and running, and there's an error at 15th line. Let's see what it is. Cout ID, name, money. Okay, there's an error. I'm trying to figure out what is it. Okay, let me build and run. Okay, let me double check. So first we have using name space std integer main, and then if stream the file workcraft.txt integer id string name double money while the file id name money, and then cout statement id name money end line. Okay, I didn't put this thing. Okay, now let's go and run again. So here you can see we are printing this on the screen. I'm gonna leave a space as well. To leave a space, I put a space like this. Okay, so here you can see like this is actually displaying on the screen. It means it's reading. But if you look at this one, like we put some comma and stuff like that. But if you just open the file actually and see that, it's not going to be changed. See, inside this one we don't have comma or anything, so we are actually reading, so it doesn't affect the file. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.